You too. What's the scene? It's your boy Chef back with another POV, man. Y'all already see what's going on, man. Shit. Yo. Can I be honest with y'all? It's fucking hot as balls out here, yo. Like, I remember when all winter we like, yo, weather gonna be nice, this and that, all kind of shit. Nigga, bro, it come down to it, bro. Bro, it's hot as fuck out here, yo. You take a shower, come outside, immediately sweating, whole day fucked. It's like, Jesus Christ, boy. Can't even have the windows down. You immediately gonna start busting a little 1-2 sweat. Wow, I shifted on that dumbly. You gonna, yeah, but like I said, you gonna immediately bust a little 1-2 sweat. And shit. That brother not in no rush. He about to go fight no crime. And I know everybody know that. Police dead don't solve no crimes. They just give up people a hard time and shit, you know what I mean? Police dead fight no crimes. Look at this brother right here. Done cut off the whole bus. I'm dead. Yeah, man, I'm currently headed somewhere to go pick something up right now. I feel like I say that in every video, but yo, I'm not gonna lie, I figure he can drop a video in about what, 7-8 days. That is not good, because like I said, I'm supposed to be working on my consistency. That's not really consistent, chef. Pick something up. It's a beautiful day. I got work later, so I'll probably take y'all boys on my little ride along to work later. But yeah, that's about it, man. We here on some cool shit. Wish I didn't have to work today though. It's mad nice. Mad nice outside. Go out, get a little content for y'all boys and gals. Oh, and I got parts on the way for the G87, man. Trust, I'm gonna make a video on that soon. When the parts get here, I got y'all. I'm gonna drop a video on that soon. I got y'all. We always good, man. We always good. Bro, I hope he not stopping. Thank God. Yo, a lot of people be stopping at these fucking yield signs, son. Like, bro. Then they get mad when you honk at them, bro. It's not a fucking stop sign, bro. It's a yield sign. That means do a little slow down and keep her going. We coming to a complete stop. Jesus Christ, son. But yeah, man. Shit. Let's call that jug nigga, see what he doing. Call that jug boy. Yo, Chug, what's the scene?
Wanna work?
Nah, bro, that's not what I wanted to hear. You tripping.
Fuck you mean?
Bro, what's the
Monday?
What's the What's the word, bro? We out here, bro. We getting it done, bro. I got the camera on my head, bro, forming this content, bro. What's the word?
What? Bro, I just told you I'm pulling up to work.
Nah, bro, don't worry about that, bro. Like, and I'm telling you, I got the cam on my head recording a vid, so what's the word?
What's wrong with this kid, bro?
Bro, who you talking to, bro? He's up. We here. Yo, how was your little bike ride last night?
Shit was 30 to get active.
Word? You fake I know blocks type nigga.
Fucking. Yo, whatchamacallit?
Talk to me.
Yeah, they walk like right past me. Like coming upstairs.
Mm-hmm. Hi YouTube. So I'm dead currently heading to work right now. Fuck. You know what I'm saying? I thought I'd just make this video a little morning cruise POV type shit. Okay. Put that M2 for y'all. Yo, I've been messing around with these M2 settings, bro. Like playing with the traction control and MDM and all that shit. Yo, I think I got like the perfect settings for this shit. Well, I think for my car. I got like some shit. So like the shit'll kick out a little bit, but like it'll try to like keep in traction, you know what I mean? So like you can still have fun with you still sliding and shit like that, but like it'll always try to get back traction, so you won't fuck around, spin out into the fucking trees over there or some nut shit, you know what I mean? So that's what I've been like playing with type shit. Plus I'm also still getting used to the car, even though it's been a little while with it. Still getting used to it. We cooking, man. We cooking day by day. It is what it is. Look at the plane, bro. Can y'all see that shit? How low that shit go? Sheesh. Nah, that truck wildin'. Nah. That nigga bugging. That nigga was in my blind spot crazy. Yo, I can't wait for this shit to actually really start like busting shots. Cause let me tell you something. Oh nah, what's going on? You turn into this one, you turn into me. Nah, he's bugging. That nigga dead almost hit my shit. Then he would've had to pay that Uber money. Then my ass would have been in a Hellcat, nigga. Do your homework on the Hellcat. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. When I was doing all the car shopping shit, the BMW M2 was not my first choice. Shh. I was really about to go Hellcat on y'all fuck niggas. I really was. I was this close to going Hellcat, bro. But the downfall is they don't make Hellcats in manual anymore. Well, they don't even make Hellcats anymore at all. I was really gonna go Hellcat on y'all niggas, but I was asking my friends, my family on their opinion. They was all telling me no. Every single one of them told me no. Nah, don't go Hellcat. What the fuck you gonna do with a Hellcat? You YN, this, that. I said, damn nigga, shit, alright. So that's why I was fucking around, started looking at the M's and shit. But I ain't gonna lie, I still want a Hellcat though. But maybe, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, when I'm up in this YouTube shit, whatever, fuck around, keep the BMW M2, and then have a Hellcat. That's the dream, that's the goal. Don't worry, we gonna see it through. Trust and believe that. Trust and believe that, man. We gonna make it happen. But yeah, man, that's the dream. Fuck around, get me a Hellcat. Yeah. What the fuck y'all gonna do when I pull up to the block with a Hellcat? Smoke shows and all that shit, man. Niggas gonna fuck around, call me young SRT Len. Fuck, why he breaking though, bro? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Why did you break? He on that phone. He over there on that phone breaking and shit. Oh my god. That nigga wanna throw that truck anywhere he wanna throw that truck, buddy. Little baby sneeze. And the stock turbo. Little downshift. Oh my god, please don't. Thank god. Little downshift. Oh, that's police. Police. Police coming. I think I got the fakes on. I'm lying. I'm lying. We don't condone all of that fake plate business. Oh, he's bugging. What's that over there? I can't even fucking see. Let me see. 340? Yeah, probably 340. Yeah, man. We out here getting it done. Let's see where these police are. They not worried about me, right? Nah. Fuck them all. I don't wanna come and break your heart. This is actually sad how long it took for us to do that. You know the motto, you know how they go. Running through the six with my woes. Yo, tell me how I got pulled over the other night. Boy, what? I don't even got the tickets here on me. Bro, fucking Nassau cop lit me up like no tomorrow. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I thought them niggas were gonna take the fucking car. Niggas talking about some, oh, tinted windshield, tinted rear window, tinted side windows. Cool, cool. He gonna talk about some, oh, no insurance. You stupid nigga. How I got no insurance, but I left the lot with the car. You stupid nigga. Niggas talking about some improper plate. Okay. Then they gonna say something about some, oh, dirty illegal plate. Nigga, ain't that the same thing? Whatever. So he gave me, and then he talking about some, bro, basically I got about like 8, 9 tickets. Nah, maybe like 10. All for some bullshit, but I ain't never worried about nothing. Cause guess what? It could always be worse. And then I got a whole court date coming up and shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm not worried about that court date, bro. About to go over there, bro, they gonna drop all that shit. He talking about some, yo, you got improper plates, yada yada, this and that. Okay, but when you sent the tickets, when you gave me the ticket, you got my right plate number on the ticket. How that work? How that work? Bro, cops don't make no sense, bro. That's why I said, bro, them niggas don't fight no. Oh, them boys hooping. Bro, them cops, bro, they don't fight no crime, bro. Just trying to make like people's lives hard and shit. Improper plates. But you just put my whole plate information on the ticket. How? What are we talking about? And it's the right plate information. So what are we talking about? I don't know, bro. I don't get it. But yeah, I'm not worried about that shit. We're gonna pay that money, man. Well, actually, nah. We gonna drop those tickets. We gonna get those shits dropped. I know a few of them gonna get dropped. And the thing is, I got a 10 exempt for my shit. But you know how that go. If you live in New York, you know how that go. That shit take like about 4 months in the mail. You gonna fuck around, forget that you even got that shit on the way. You know what I'm saying? Till one day you come home, open the mailbox, see the 10 exempt, like, damn, I totally forgot I even put in an application for this shit. So yeah, you know, I'm waiting for that. And I told the dude, like, yo, bro, I got a 10 exempt. He said, oh, really? I said, yeah. Cool. Still gave me the ticket, no worries. So, like I'm saying, bro, when we in court, bro, we gonna beat that. We gonna beat the case, bro. least he ain't fuck around and take the car though. Cause let me tell you something. Now you got me fucked up. You got me all the way fucked up. Alright, YouTube. I just got to work. So you already know. I might pick up the camera a little later. Well, we see what happens. See how I'm feeling later. Finish the video. If not, appreciate y'all for everything. Y'all know what it is, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, man. We going up with this shit. Like I said, I'm working on being more consistent with this shit. Well, I'm trying to be. Shit. This shit is like a full-time job for real. Especially to get in the content part. But yeah, don't worry, man. I'm locked in. We so locked in. We gonna make it happen, boys. Gotcha. And go check out my other videos too. The other videos I got on this channel. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, we be out here making it happen. For the culture, boys. Yes, sir. Alright, boys, I'm gonna holla at y'all.